Hey there. What am I saying? What do I start with? Do I just start with? Hey guys, I'm Chef Josh Charles from Honey and Thyme, and I'm here with Greater Goods to show you how to clean and maintain your cast iron skillet all the way from the first day it comes out of the box to that cast iron that you found in Grandma's basement. I have a gently used skillet here that I want to show you how to very easily clean out. So the first thing we're going to do is rinse out all the food particles with warm water. Then we're going to towel dry to remove any excess surface moisture. So inside, outside, around, top, bottom, make sure to get any water beads that you can see. And then for me personally, I love to take this and put it on a burner to make sure that any of that moisture is completely out. We have a little bit dirtier pan here. Someone left it on the stove overnight after making some food. They're not doing you any favors by cleaning up last night. So what I'm gonna do is show you how to clean this with the Greater Goods scrubber. This chainmail has no hard edges, so it's not gonna take off any of your seasoning that you've worked so hard to get. So we're gonna take this and we're just gonna use it to get out all this gunk. Just a little bit of warm water going in a circular fashion. As you can see, all the crud's off there, but the seasoning's still there. We're gonna dry it off and put it away. Now we have a level 3 pan that's just completely gone, right? This pan has been intentionally rusted out just to show you guys how we can bring this back. So the first thing we're gonna do is use steel wool and warm water to get off any of those kind of bigger pieces of the rust. So I'll show you right now. So as you can see, the steel wool brings off a lot of that rust right from the get-go. So after that, you're gonna wanna use a green scratch pad with a little bit of soap. Normally we wouldn't use soap, but here, since we're trying to get off that rust, that's what we're going for. Don't forget to get the back, sides, around. So as you can see, we got that rust right off. And from here, we're gonna go through the whole re-seasoning process. The first thing we're gonna do is make sure that we get it completely dry. And our next step here to re-season our pan, we're gonna take our flaxseed oil from Greater Goods. I would say about 2 tablespoons right in the center. From there, we're gonna make sure that this oil completely coats the pan. I like to use a paper towel so that you can throw it away right afterwards. Don't forget the front, the back, the handle. So while you're doing this, if you see that you have a pool of oil, make sure to get that out. We want a good amount of oil on this, but we don't want too much because it's gonna get sticky in the oven. So we have this pan completely covered in the flaxseed oil, and now we're gonna put it in upside down in a 450 to 500 degree oven for 1 hour. All right guys, 1 hour in the oven, and as you can see, it's not ruined, all the rust is gone, and we're ready to use it time and time again. Now that we've got the pan re-seasoned, we're gonna cook up some chicken piccata, and it's a great first recipe because it's high in fat, low in acid, and gonna help with that seasoning. There you have it, chicken piccata cooked up on our freshly seasoned Greater Goods skillet. If you want more recipes like this, check me out at honeyandthymeus.com. To get more information on the Greater Goods skillet, go ahead and click the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to purchase your own, go ahead and follow the link in the description. My brain is like moving to mush now. It's like, huh?